Hello everyone, Olivia with Olivias Romantic Home, and I'm back from spring break. Really, my daughter and I just did like a staycation, and so thank you guys for sticking with me and giving me some time off. I'm going to be doing some fun and easy little budget-friendly decor ideas for you guys to use around your house. We're still in the I Love Spring series, and we still have that Cricut Joy giveaway going on until March 31st, so definitely subscribe and comment down below so you guys can enter into that. And without further ado, let's go ahead and plug in those glue guns, get out your glitter and paint, and let's get to crafting! For this Dollar Tree DIY, I'm going to share with you guys how to make a super pretty little spring floral. So I painted one of those Dollar Tree buckets white, and I removed the burlap that was around the top, and then I'm just going to pop in this piece of styrofoam. Now I decided that the top was a little bit rough, so I wanted to jazz it up with a scrap piece of a ribbon. I did get this ribbon from Walmart, and I love the little check. I think it's so springy and cottagey. I'm really feeling this year is going to be a year of kind of just soft cottage romance. So anyway, I'm going to hot glue that around the top of this Dollar Tree tin, and really the Dollar Tree tins are adorable. There's so many things you guys can do with this, and I did just use one coat of chalk paint for this tin. And also, I just wanted to let you guys know that with any of my ideas, you guys can always customize them to match your home decor by choosing a different paint color on ribbon. So now I'm going to take some of these pretty roses, and these are just a really soft pastel rose. I've actually reused these in so many different projects, so I was excited to reuse them for spring. I got them on clearance at Michael's, I think 2 years ago. I'm cutting each one of them individually off of the little branch that was on to kind of give it a blooming effect, and I'm just kind of staggering them. But again, I want this to feel very cottagey, and so I'm just kind of making them look a little bit wild. In this video, I am going to be playing a lot of really soft, pretty piano music, so I hope you guys just really relax and enjoy the time that I'm having crafting and are feeling inspired. For this next Dollar Tree DIY, I'm going to share with y'all how to make a super sweet little cottage calendar sign holder, and I'm going to use this heartwood cutout. I actually picked this up at Dollar Tree during the Valentine's Day season. I do like to get some extra hearts. This is Olivia's Romantic Home, which I love just the art of romantic living. I think it is just such a nice way to feel about your home and your family, to put your whole heart into it, and that's what I always try to do. So anyway, I'm going to take this little wooden heart and I'm going to chalk paint it. I've been using this Country Chic chalk paint. I actually found it off of Amazon. It's not quite as thick as the Waverly chalk paint that I get at Walmart, but it will do. And it's readily available. It gets shipped right to my house. Now, my sweet friend Stacy sent me these little pins, and they have roses on them. Thank you, Stacy. This is so precious. And so I'm just going to hot glue those to the top of the heart. And then I'm going to take this free calendar that I received in the mail from Mackenzie Childs, And all you have to do is sign up for their mailing list and they'll send you free catalogs and calendars. I'm going to completely trim off all of the excess paper. It's a little bit larger than I was hoping for the heart, but it's perfect. And so then I'm going to clip the calendar months to the heart, and then I'm going to actually put this in my kitchen next to my coffee maker. You guys probably see me on Instagram with my coffee every morning. On my story, I share a good morning prayer card. But that way, it's just a little bit prettier. The Mackenzie Child's calendar was pretty, but it didn't go in with my soft romantic decor. So I hope you're inspired and are loving this. For this next DIY, I want to share with y'all how I'm going to transform this sweet little Paris tin, and I think it's beautiful as is, but because I used it like this last year, I want to make it look a little bit different. It has a French saying on the front, which I absolutely love, and again, I'm going to be going for a really sweet, soft, romantic look this season for just a cottage decor of a very modest little home. Now I am using this Country Chic paint, and I'm going to paint this. The Country Chic paint is actually on Amazon. I'll try to remember to link some in my Amazon store. If you just go to Amazon, I have Olivia's Romantic Home Amazon store, and basically I'm just putting links in there for you guys. But it only took one coat, which I kind of love when you get a decent chalk paint like that, and this is just in a white color. And so I just painted this whole thing, and again, I'm gonna let you guys listen to some really soft piano music to hopefully help you relax and just really enjoy this video. And then I do end up, after everything dries, adding these beautiful flowers that I found at Home Goods. And here is how it turned out. I just absolutely think it's so pretty and so beautiful. Adding in those sweet romantic flowers just made it so sweet and springy. And again, remember, you all can change up any of these ideas to match your home decor. And I will tell you that I did find this little Paris bucket at Michael's. It was on clearance last season, so I haven't been into Michael's yet this season. I really need to go, but they've been carrying a really beautiful soft line of kind of shabby chic romantic French country decor, so you might want to check in there, and I'll try to check for you guys as well. Now for this next DIY, I want to share with you all how you can make just kind of a pretty spring little gardeny floral bucket idea. So I'm going to take this bucket and hot glue, this is a Dollar Tree bucket, and I just hot glued some little styrofoam to the base, and then I'm going to use these Dollar Tree ferns. Now these ferns are coming in about a 6 to 8 pack at Dollar Tree, and I found mine in the crafting section. You may also look in your garden section. I feel like they look somewhat realistic for a Dollar Tree. They're a little bit better than the ones that they put out last year. So I'm just going to pop them into this bucket and then set this in a little space. I feel like adding greenery is a fun way to spruce up really any space, even if it's fake greenery. Sometimes a little corner in your home needs just that extra pop of life. But maybe it doesn't get enough sun, or maybe you're like me and you have a tendency to forget about your plants, which I'm going to try to do better and be a better plant mom. But life gets busy. So I probably need like a little reminder, hey, water your plants. Anyway, I'm just adding in these pretty little ferns for some fun decorative greenery. For this next Dollar Tree DIY, I'm going to make another fun little heart craft, but for this one, I'm going to paint it this heart white. And again, these are the Dollar Tree hearts, and then I'm going to make it into a fun little decorative stand. So any of the cutouts that you find at Dollar Tree, if you have like a favorite shape, you can paint them and then glue some little legs on them, and they'll be like a little wooden stand. And again, like I said earlier, I'm going to be doing a lot of pretty cottage decor, so you guys feel free to get creative and paint your goodies any color that you love. I want a really kind of white, fresh, clean look this summer, and just so I thought that this would be fun. And I am using the Country Chic paint again, and that is in a white color. You guys might hear Benji Bear in the background. He's staring up a toy. So now I'm going to take these wooden beads from Amazon and just hot glue them to base, and that's going to give this fun little decor idea some legs. And here's our little Benji Bear. For all of you Benji Bear fans, he's chilling out on the couch, chewing on a bone. And right now, while I'm doing this voiceover, he is chewing up one of his best bud, baby Theo's toys. So just had to pop that in there because I know some of you guys are here for my puppy dog and all of his puppy dog friends out there. We love y'all. Thank you so much for being here. So thank you all so much for joining me on another fun and fabulous crafty decor adventure. It is a true blessing and honor to have you all here. If you all are new, welcome. I'm Olivia with Olivia's Romantic Home, and I'm a DIY crafty mama. I love to share with you guys how you can make your homes boutique gorgeous on a budget. Crafting and decorating is such a passion for me, and I love to bring that passion to you all. So I hope you guys are inspired to craft and decorate on a budget as well. And I want to encourage you all to sit in gratitude. I posted about it kind of on my Instagram the other day, but I was having like a really tough day. And I feel like God just came over me and was like, Olivia, you have so many things to be grateful for. Stop focusing on your problems. So by taking the focus off of myself and beginning to just in my head name some things that I was grateful for, that helped kind of send me out of my funk and, just remind me of all of my blessings. And I know we all have blessings, and sometimes it's so easy to get caught up into like all the things we're worried about, but that's really not where God wants us. God really wants us to be sitting in grace and gratitude and to give those worries over to Him in prayer. So I'm praying for y'all. If you guys need prayer, drop a prayer request down below. This is a praying community, and I'm so thankful for everybody in this community. And as always, I try to remind you guys in every video, use your voice for good. We all have a voice. So if you see something you like on a friend's page, or you need to text a friend, say something kind to someone that's going to uplift somebody and make them have a little bit of a better day. I know everybody's going through something, and so just to use your voice for good. And also give yourself some grace in your crafting and decorating journey. I know sometimes I'll set out to make a beautiful craft and it won't be as beautiful as I thought. So just give yourself some grace, keep going, keep trying, and all that fun stuff. So I'm wishing you a gorgeous, blessed day. I can't wait for our next video. And until then, remember, be kind to yourselves and be kind to one another. Talk to you guys very soon. Bye-bye.
That I love you.